never think.
Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So this is Alston S5 Projector, which is native 720p projector with great sharp picture quality. If you want to check out this projector, I'll put down a link in the description. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. So in the box you will get your power cable, RCA connection cable, user guide and the projector itself. So the weight of this projector is 1.36 kg and the size is 246 by 188 by 92 millimeters, and it is made completely in plastic. On the top you get manual controls. Also on the top you get keystone correction and the focus ring. In the front you got lens cover, which is handy to keep the dust out. It is pretty flimsy and at the times can be hard to close, so you need to be careful not to touch the lens. On the side you have your air vents and power supply cord. At the back you got speaker, a VGA port, HDMI port and a headphone jack, AV for your RCA connection and 2 USB ports. Make sure when you set up your projector there is no zoom, so your screen size will depend on the placement and the distance of your projector. Alston recommends size between 70 inches to 85 inches to get best out of your projector. But of course, if you have more space in your room, you can get up to 300 inches. Jumping in the settings, you will find all your picture and sound options, as well as sleep timer, so you can set your projector to turn itself off when you need. So let's connect to AirPlay and see the image quality. As you can see, the image looks sharp and vivid. Once you turn on the lights, it is still watchable, but I recommend to watch it in total dark. When it comes to focusing, it can be little sensitive, but once you find your perfect adjustment, you should be able to get crisp and vibrant image. By looking at the smartphone, you should be able to make out the size of the projector. Screen mirroring is available for iOS and Android. It is very simple to connect to your smartphone. If you're using iOS device, just press OK to get iOS connection, or if you have an Android device, press again OK to switch to Android connection. You just have to go in Smart View from your smartphone, find the projector and press connect. If you want a budget projector that is under 100 euros, I mean definitely buy this one. You will get great picture quality with little to spend. So that was pretty much it guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.